Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. Meme coins are crushing it right now with a 20% boost on overall sector valuation in this week. And at the moment, things are looking strong. Even Coinbase just recently listed Pepe under its perpetual futures contract here. So we're seeing a lot of growth overall with Coinbase adding that perpetual for institutional investors. Spot could be next, which is another huge signal that meme coins could be massive. Now in this video, very quickly covering a new 100x potential meme coin being Dogeverse, guys, because this one is hit a $10.3 million raised mark. One Dogeverse is $0.0003. And yeah, just want to quickly talk about it because they're celebrating that $10 million raised. Now, why does this one stand out? You can buy it across multiple chains. You can buy it on ERC20, BEP20, Polygon, Avalanche, Base, and very soon Solana, but it also screams a very strong roadmap, and it's phase 5 guys. Like I say, first centralized exchange listings will take place right there. Also, be sure to know about the tokenomics because there's only 200 billion tokens that can ever exist for this ecosystem. There is no inflation. There will be no massive unlocks, which dilutes the value of the token as well. So it's a solid platform. Just wanted to put a quick video out there whilst the overall market is looking pretty strong. You can see many meme coins are popping off today. We've had we've had Bonkcoin. And overall, we've had a bit of a correction in the crypto markets, but we've had the Bitcoin halving too, and things are just looking very, very solid right now, sitting at a $2.44 trillion mark. If you do want to explore Dogeverse, because many people are talking about it now, you can check out the link that is directly down below and grab some of these tokens if you want to. Do remember, it's not financial advice, but at the moment in the bull market phase, pre-sales tend to have much better performance, and quite a few of them are delivering good returns based off of their launching price over the first 7 days of its trading time. So let's see how this does. Fingers crossed we're going to see something big here. Multi-bridge utility as well, and a decent roadmap, like I say, guys. So link is down below. Not financial advice. Go out there, do your own research, folks, and let me know down below in the comments which meme coins are really sparking interest for you right now. See you soon. Stay crypto safe, and be sure to hit the subscribe button on the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel.